How to buy crypto on CoinEx. CoinEx has supported more than 60 fiat currencies to purchase mainstream cryptos, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, etc. We work with professional third-party service providers to ensure transaction and asset security. Buying cryptos at CoinEx takes only 3 steps. Firstly, log into your CoinEx account, enter fiat, and select buy. Select the crypto to buy, payment fiat currency, and check the quotation of available service providers. Secondly, after selecting the service provider with a suitable quotation, click Buy. Enter the purchase amount or value in order and click Confirm Purchase. Read the reminder in the pop-up window carefully and confirm the details, and you will be directed to the website of the service provider. At last, check your order on the website, fill in the required information or authentication, select the payment method, and your crypto purchase is complete. You can check the order details in Assets, Spot Account, Deposit History, on CoinEx, or in the order information on the third-party website. Wanna buy crypto? Try CoinEx.